Welcome to this quick series on the Immersive Reader found in Office 365. The Immersive Reader is a great tool for students and staff alike who may struggle to spot mistakes in their work if they have to read them back themselves. Immersive Reader can read it back for you and also help you use better language to achieve those higher grades. So, to find Immersive Reader, we need to go to the menu bar at the top, click on View, and then the second button in says Immersive Reader. If you click on Immersive Reader, your document will save to the cloud and it will open up in a brand new page. As you can see, our document has opened up in a Comic Sans font with a blue background and with some of the words highlighted and in different colors. And we'll go through why that is in just a moment. So, if I press play, the story will read back to me in this case through my headphones. And in your case, it may be through your speakers. Let's show you.
Once upon a time, there was a little place.
So I can hear that through my headphones, and I deliberately haven't shared it with you due to the echo. Now, one of the advantages of this is it's much easier for our students, with or without the learning needs such as dyslexia, to spot mistakes. It's a very useful tool for students and staff alike, particularly for staff if we are writing reports or extended pieces of writing that really need to be very accurate. The second feature I'd like to show you is by clicking on the voice settings button next to our play button, we can change the speed that our text is read back to us. Now, this is very useful for those students who may have ADP or some sort of processing disability, or it's also useful for those students and staff who may feel they want their text to be read back much quicker. I tend to leave it at about 1, which is the default. You can also choose your female or male voice, just a personal preference. Next, if we click on the 2 A's in the top right, we will be able to view our text preferences. The text preferences allow you to do things such as adjust our text size up to a very large font, all the way down to very small. Increase our spacing between words so it's easier to read, and change our font between one of 3 fonts. Again, these are all personal preference settings you can change, and they do not change your actual document. They only change your view in Immersive Reader. Finally, and perhaps most useful, we can choose a theme. Now, these themes are effectively overlays that you may have used in person on your screen. We can choose a color, for example, black, and our background turns to black, our text turns to white, and it's much easier to read. Some students may prefer a yellow overlay or a pink overlay. Again, all personal preference, and it just enables students to be able to access their work in the same way that their peers might. In our next video, we're going to look at some of the reasons behind our words in different colors and the benefits that can bring.